Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your password on Slack. Whether you are worried about the security or just need to update your details, we have got you covered. Let's get started. First of all, open the Slack on your web browser. Log into your workspace with your current credentials if you are not logged in already. Once you are in, click on your profile picture in the bottom left corner. A drop-down menu will appear and click on Profile. Next, click on the three dots and select Account Settings. This will open a new page with various account options. Look for the password section. In the password section, click to expand and you'll see two options: your current password and the new password. Enter your current password and the new password you want to replace it with. Then click on Save Password. It will show your password has been updated successfully. If you have forgotten your current password, no worries. Just click on Reset Your Password by email and you'll receive an email from Slack with a link to reset your password. Click on the link, choose a new password, and you'll be prompted to enter it twice to confirm. After filling in your new password, click Change My Password. Your password is now updated. And that's it. Changing your password on Slack is that simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.